Welcome to TechieTalkee. Hello friends. In this video, I'll be explaining you on how to delete all the items in the list and also to delete the list. So in my example, I'm considering the name list of 5 students. So consider this scenario where the names entered in this list is incorrect. Meaning, I have entered the names of class 7 students, but actually I need to consider the names of class 8 students. So I need to recreate the list. In this case, I have two options. One is I can retain the same list but just delete the names of class 7, which means delete the list contents and then insert the names of class 8 students. The other option is that I'll totally delete this list and create a new list with the names of class 8 students. Let's see how to do this in Python. This is the name list that we have containing the names of 5 students of class 7. Let me give a print statement. So if I execute this, we can see that this list contains the names of 5 students. For the first option, we need to delete the items in the list. So for that, I can give the del keyword. And how do I give it? And what is the syntax of it? I'll give del followed by the name of the list, and then we'll just have to give colon, meaning it will delete all the items in the list. If I execute this, the print statement will return none, meaning all the items in the list are now deleted. I also have an alternate way to do this. I can use the clear method. I'll show you the syntax of that. I'll give namelist dot clear. So if I execute this code, I'll get a similar result, which is all the list items are now deleted. Now let's get into the option 2, where I want to delete the list completely along with the list items. So for that, I'll give the syntax as del followed by the list name. So this del keyword will delete the complete list. If I execute this, I'll get an error saying name list is not defined, meaning the del keyword has deleted the complete list and now the list is not found when I try to print it. To summarize, for deleting the list, we have two options. One is to delete only the items in the list and the other one is to delete the complete list. If I delete the list items, the list remains, only the list items get deleted. On the other hand, if I delete the list completely, the list and its items get deleted. For deleting the list items, I can use the del keyword or the clear method. For deleting the complete list, I can use the del keyword. And I've given the syntax for both deleting the list items and to delete the list altogether. Hey guys, hope you now understood the difference between the del keyword and the clear method and how we can use it to delete the list or to delete the list items. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.